Hello students, today we are going to start the chapter Linear Equations in Two Variables. In previous standard, you had learned the linear equation in one variable. Here in this equation, you can easily find the value of x. X equal to, by transposing 7 to the right side, 8 minus 7, x is equal to 1. That is the value of variable. But what about the equation which contain two variables? Can you find the value of two variable? If I assume the value of variable x is 1, then value of variable y will be 7, because 1 plus 7 equal to 8. If you assume value of variable x is equal to 6, then value of variable will be 2. Therefore 6 plus 2 equal to 8. Similarly 3 plus 5 equal to 8. In this way you can find the infinite values for the variable x and y. Now the values which satisfy the equation is called the solution of the equation. Therefore here all these values are called the solution of the equation. That is value of 1 and 7, 6, 2, 3 and 5. The pair of these values is called the solution of this equation. Therefore to find the solution of this linear equation in two variable, we need the another linear equation in two variable. For example, first equation I take here x plus y equal to 8, and other equation x minus y equal to 2. When we consider the two linear equation in two variable at the same times, that equations are called simultaneous equations. The condition is that both the pair in both the equation should be same. For example, if the equation is x plus y equal to 8 and other equation is a minus b equal to 7. Here pair of variable in first equation is xy and pair of variable in other equation is a and b. Therefore pair of these linear equations in two variables are not called the simultaneous equations. The general form of simultaneous equation is where a1, b1, c1, similarly a2, b2 and c2 are the real numbers, and a1, b1 and a2, b2 are not equal to 0 at the same times. In your textbook, following methods are given to solve simultaneous equations: elimination method, determinant method and graphical method. In elimination method, we need to eliminate one variable. Let us see elimination methods. Let us solve the given simultaneous equations. First we write the first equation, that is the first equation. We write second equation below the first equation, that is the second equation. Here you can see that the coefficient of y are the same but signs are different. If coefficient are same and signs are different, you can add equation 1 and equation 2. When you added, the variable y is cancelled. Therefore we add equation 1 and equation 2. After adding equation 1 and 2, variable y is cancelled. Therefore x plus x equal to 2x. equal sign and 8 plus 2 equal to 10. Here 2 is in multiplication. When transposed 2 to the right side, the multiplication becomes division. Therefore, you can write x equal to 10 divided by 2. Therefore, x equal to 2 1s are 2, 2 5s are 10. That is x equal to 5. Put this value of x in equation 1. After putting x equal to 5, equation 1 become 5 plus y equal to 8. Now here, to find the value of y, transpose 5 to the right side. Therefore, you can write y equal to 8 plus 5 become minus 5. 8 minus 5. Therefore, y is equal to 8 minus 5, 3. The value of y is 3. Therefore, solution of equation is 5, 3. Here you have to always write the value of x first and then value of y. Let's move to the another simultaneous equations. If we added equation 1 and 2, the plus x and minus x is cancelled. Therefore, we should add equation 1 and 2. X is cancelled. 3y plus 1y is equal to 4y. 10 plus 6, 16. Here again, y is equal to 16 upon 4. When 4 is transposed, it becomes in division. Therefore, y is equal to 4 4s are 16. Value of y is 4. Now put this value of y in equation 1 or equation 2. We put the value of y in equation 2. Therefore, equation become x plus value of y is 4. X plus 4 equal to 10. Therefore, x equal to transpose 4 to the right side. Therefore, 10 plus 4 become minus 4. Therefore, x equal to 10 minus 4 equal to 6. That is the value of x. Therefore, the solution of equation is 6, 4. Always write the value of x first and then value of y. This is the solution of equations. Let's we see the another simultaneous equation. Let us write the first equation and then second equation. Here also you can see that sign of variable n is plus in first equation and sign of variable of n in second equation is minus. If you added equation 1 and equation 2, the n will cancel. Therefore, 3m plus 2m becomes 5m, plus n and minus n is cancelled. 10 plus 5 equal to 15. To find the value of m, 15 divided by 5. M is equal to 5 1s are 5, 5 3s are 15. Value of m is 3. Now put this value of m in equation 1 or equation 2. I put this value of n in equation 1. Equation 1 becomes 3. Here 3 into m. Value of m is 3. 3m means 3 multiplied by m. 3m can be written as 3 into m. Value of m is 3. Therefore, we can write it as 3 into 3. plus n equal to 5. 3 3 are 9 plus as it is n as it is, equal sign as it is, 5 also as it is. Therefore 5 plus 9 become minus 9. N equal to. Now here subtract 5 from 9. 9 minus 5, 4. And put the sign of greater number. Greater number is 9. 9 have a minus sign. Therefore answer will have minus sign. The value of n is minus 4. Therefore the solution of equation is 3 and minus 4. That is the solution of equation. Here we are going to solve the questions of textbook. Question number 2, sub question 1. Page number is 5. Here is the first equation and that is the second equation. Here coefficient of variable b in first equation and coefficient of variable b in second equation are the same, and sign of both the coefficient are also same. Therefore we subtract equation 2 from equation 1. The both 5b will be cancelled. Here one thing should be note down. If we subtract the second equation from first equation, the sign of second equation is changed. It means that if here is plus sign will become minus sign. Here 3a minus 1a become 2a and 5b minus 5b will be cancelled. Here we consider the minus sign of 5b, not plus sign. Therefore 5b minus 5b will be cancelled. Equal sign as it is, it means 26 minus 22 equal to 4. Here a equal to 4 upon 2. Therefore a equal to 2 1 is 2, 2 2 is 4. Value of a become 2. Now put this value of a in equation 1 or equation 2. I put value of a in equation 2. Therefore equation 2 become 2 plus 5b equal to 22. Here 2 is transferred to the right side. Therefore 5b equal to 22 minus 2 is transferred to the right side. Therefore plus 2 becomes minus 2. 5b equal to 22 minus 2 is equal to 20. Therefore b is equal to 20 upon 5. 5 is transpose. Therefore b is equal to 5 4 is 20. b is equal to 4. Therefore solution of equation is 2, 4.